So today we'll start with the types of matrix. Types of matrices, you can say that. Okay. So when you talk about first type of matrix or a matrices, we have to discuss row matrix. Okay. What is the row matrix basically, guys? The matrix which will have only one row, that is called as what? The row matrix. Okay, and order of that such type of matrix, you can say that the only one row means the one row into number of column, you can take any. Okay, like this. Can we say that this is the row matrix? Yes, because of the only one row. Okay, can we say that here? One, two, this is also row matrix. Can we say that here? A, B, not comma there. We have to take the square bracket. A, B, C. This will be the what? The row matrix. You can take like this also. 1, 2, minus 1. A, B, C. Okay. So this is also row matrix. Now if you define the order of this matrix, it will be basically 1 cross 1. Okay, what about the order of this matrix? This will be the 1 cross 2. There is the only one row and two column. What about this? The one row and three column. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 cross 6 means the one row and six columns. Okay, so whenever you will get a matrix which have only one row, such type of matrix is called as the row matrix. After that, we have to discuss the column matrix. Column matrix. What is the column matrix? It means basically this matrix which possesses only what? Only one column. Only one column is basically called as what? The column matrix. You can look at here also the definition of the column scalar. Okay, just a second. Matrices. So you go through in the types of matrix order. This is in the types of matrix. The column matrix, okay, the row matrix, the only one row, the matrix which is associated with the only one row, that is called as a row matrix, or matrix which is associated with the only one column is called as what? Column matrix. So only one column. So if you have to define the order of such type of matrix, it will be basically equal to what? The n cross 1 means number of the column will be 1 and the number of rows can be anything. Okay, so you can express in this form 1 to A. So if you look at your number of rows, there is 3 number of rows and number of column is what? 1. Okay. Now after that, suppose we have to write on the minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So what will the order of this matrix basically? The order of matrix will be equal to here the 1 row, 2 row, 3 and 4. There are 4 row and only one column. So any matrix which will have only one column, okay, the called as a column matrix, and only one row is called as a row matrix. After that, we will have the third point, and that is called as basically row column. उसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं? Square matrix. Square matrix. What is the square matrix? कल बताया था. Can anyone tell me what is the square matrix?
In which number of rows is equal to number of columns.
Exactly. So the matrix in which there will be number of rows must be equal to number of column. Okay, number of column is called as basically square matrix. Can we say that this type of matrix always associated with what? Always associated with the principal diagonal. Yes. Yes, guys. The square matrix is always associated with what? The principal diagonal. कल बताया था. Okay, other than it, if you find out the principal diagonal for this, like 1, 2, A, B, C, we cannot find out the principal diagonal here. Okay, because there is no any principal diagonal. We have in this row matrix and column matrix. But when you talk about the square matrix, the important thing that you have to remember here that there will be the always, okay, there will be the always, we can say that a principal diagonal will be there, okay. Now, after that, what is the condition? Condition is number of rows must be equal to number of column. That is called as the square matrix, okay. So suppose if I have to define the square matrix of order 2 and 2 by 2, so we can take here 2, 0, A, B. Okay. What is this? This is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and we can say that this is a square matrix because number of rows is equal to what? Number of column. Okay. After that, suppose if I have to define for the 3 by 3, 3 by 3, so we can take the 3, A, B, I, J, K, 1, 0, 5. Then matter that you can put any entry there, okay? You can put any element, there will be no issue. So what is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 3. Okay, order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. So it is also called as basically square matrix because number of row is equal to number of column. You can take them in 4 by 4 matrix also. Okay, 4 by. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, 4, 2, 0, 8. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 4 cross 4. Okay, so when number of the rows equal to number of the column, at that time you can say that, okay, you can say that the square matrix matrix is known as the square matrix. If you have to define the properties of this now, for this you can also define here that the matrix will be defined as collection of Aij in which I must be equal to J. I must be equal to J. This is also we can say that define as the properties of, okay, the properties of the square matrix. Okay, means number of the column must be equal to number of the rows. That will be called as the order of the even matrix. और वहां से आप बता सकते हो कि वो मैट्रिक्स क्या किस टाइप का रहेगा, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स रहेगा. Okay, so clear with the 3 point? Yes guys, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So what will be a diagonal matrix? How can we define the diagonal matrix? First thing, okay, if we talk about diagonal, it must be square. Yes or no? If you talk about diagonal, the matrix should be a square. The first thing that we have to write about the diagonal matrix, that square matrix, that square matrix in which only diagonal element, only diagonal element. Okay, now Sri, can you tell me the abbreviation for the diagonal element? Yes or no? Just let me guys. Sri, can you define how can we represent the diagonal element? Can we say that it is basically Aij, where I must be equal to j? That is a diagonal element. Remember that A11, A22, A33, A44 was a diagonal element. Yes. So that is square matrix in which only diagonal element Aij equal to Aij, okay, in which I must be equal to j. Only diagonal elements are non-zeros, and other than diagonal element, other than the diagonal element, it's 0. Okay, so that is square matrix in which only diagonal elements Aij, that means I equal to j, okay, that is basically diagonal element, are non-zero. Okay, and other than the diagonal element is 0, such type of matrix is basically called as a diagonal matrix. So what is the other element? First we have to define this part. Other element means what? Other element means what? The same thing. The element Aij only, but in which here I is not equal to j. I is not equal to j. Okay, is 0. If you get confused for this now, don't remember this. Okay, forget about this part and this part. If you don't want to remember this, no issue. Okay, but confuse नहीं होना है. First thing about the diagonal element that you have to highlight, it should be a square matrix. Okay, diagonal elements, okay, must be non-zero. Okay, non-zero, and other other element should be other than, you can say that, or other the elements should be zero. These are the highlight points that you have to remember. So first highlight point should be a square, second highlight point non-zero, and third highlight point is what? Zero. You have to talk about these three parts for the diagonal matrices. Clear with this? The square, non-zero, and zero. These three terms you have to remember always. Clear with this? Now, if I have to define, or you have to take the example of the diagonal elements, I will take like this: 2, 0, 0, 1. Can you say it is diagonal element? Check that. It is a square matrix. Yes, it is a square matrix. Diagonal elements are not zero, and other than the diagonal elements are zero. Okay. Now after that, what about this part? 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. So not 3, 0, 0, 4. Is it diagonal element? Look at the diagonal element. Diagonal element is what? Non-zero. Other than the diagonal element is, every element is what? 0. The such type of matrix is expressed as in terms of what? A diagonal element. Now the confusion will be, क्या sir एक भी element 0 नहीं हो सकता diagonal का? हाँ. Is it possible that you can take one element, two element even equal to 0? Means like A, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay, so you can take the one or two element as a rule, but you cannot put a whole element equal to 0. When we put a whole element equal to 0, it becomes null matrix. Okay, got my point? Yes, the null matrix. Okay, simple thing that we have to remember for the null. Null means what? What is null? 0. Yes, all the elements of matrix is equal to 0. The matrix in which all the element of the matrix is equal to 0. Okay, now look at the definition. I did not write here like कि square होना चाहिए या column होना matrix होना चाहिए या क्या बोलते हैं उसको रो मैट्रिक्स होना चाहिए. मैंने कुछ ऐसा नहीं बताया. मैंने सिंपल बोला कि एनी मैट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल द एलिमेंट इक्वल टू 0. So suppose you can take this as, can we say that this is null matrix? Yes, you can take this as a null matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0 as a null matrix. Okay, what about here? You can take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is also null matrix. You can take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is also null matrix. Clear with this? So now in a null matrix, every element of the matrix should be 0. Such type of matrix is called as what? Null matrix. Okay. Now, Chitraksh, if you look at this element, यदि मैं diagonal के सारे element को यदि मैं 0 ले लेता तो उसको मैं diagonal element नहीं बोलूंगा. वो element क्या कहलाएगा? और वो such type of matrix will be known as what? The diagonal or null matrix. क्या बोलूंगा मैं इसको चित्राक्ष?
Null matrix.
Null matrix. इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि आप हर एक एलिमेंट को 0 लेने की कोशिश मत करिएगा. ओके, कुछ एलिमेंट नॉन जीरो होने चाहिए. देयर विल बी सर्टेन एलिमेंट, ओके, फॉर द डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स एंड इट शुड बी नॉन जीरो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट. That the next part as scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Okay, scalar matrix. Simple thing. Scalar matrix मुझे आपको डिफाइन करना होगा. Okay, all the diagonal element should be equal, and other than the diagonal element, other than diagonal element, okay, so all the diagonal elements should be equal, and other than the diagonal elements should be zero. Should be zero. Okay, the first thing here, can we say that a scalar matrix is a the square matrix or not? Mehak, are you there? Hello? Sri Hari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So स्केलर मैट्रिक्स को हम स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स बोलेंगे या कोई नॉर्मल मैट्रिक्स बोलेंगे?
Normal matrix.
No, it must be a square matrix. Why? Because it is related with diagonal, and when we talk about diagonal, it should be square matrix. Okay, so all the diagonal elements should be equal. Okay, and other than, okay, non-zero equal बोल सकते, zero भी नहीं होना चाहिए, and other than the diagonal element should be what? Zero. Like suppose if I have to define scalar matrix, we can write down like this 2 0 0 2. Okay, we can write down like this C 0 0 0 C 0 0 0 C. Okay, now after that you can take the 4 by 4, then A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 0 A 0, then after that 0 0 0 A. So this type of matrix is basically known as the scalar matrix. Am I clear with this, guys? Any problem? All the types of matrices clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now after that we have the unit matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay, simple thing that you have to remember for this, the diagonal elements must be equal to 1 and other element is equal to 0. Okay, so and it is represented by letter I. Okay, so suppose you have to define the I matrix of the order 2 cross 2, so it is also called as I2 cross 2. Okay, I2 cross 2, it will be basically 1 0 0 1, means diagonal element should be equal to 1, and other than the diagonal element it will be 0. Suppose you have to define I3 cross 3, means the unit matrix of order or identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, it will be the basically what? 1 0 0 0 1 0, okay, 0 0 1. Okay, the very important matrix, guys. Every time you have to use this matrix. Unit matrix is very important. Their property, because the unit matrix possesses some certain property, we'll discuss later. Okay, but you have to always remember what is the meaning of unit matrix. Okay, so can we say that this is the unit matrix? 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Can we say that? Can we say that here, guys? This is the unit matrix. No. Okay.
No.
Yes or no? No, it cannot be the unit matrix. Why? Because diagonal element should be 1. Is it a diagonal element? Yes, this is a diagonal element and it is 0. But what is it? This is the diagonal element? No. यहाँ पे कितना है? 1 cross 3 है and it is not equal even. So this is not a diagonal element. Diagonal element एक ही होता है जो इधर वाला होता है. ये this is a diagonal. This is not a diagonal. Okay. So don't get confused in that. Okay. So if you have this element equal to what? The 1 1 1, that is known as the unit matrix, and other than the diagonal elements it should be equal to 0. Okay, clear with this? So what is the meaning of unit matrix or identity matrix? Yes, hello?
Yes, sir.
Can we say that unit matrix is also a square matrix? Can we say that unit matrix is also a scalar matrix? Yes or no? Because what is the property of a scalar matrix? What is the property of a scalar matrix? The matrix
Diagonal is equal.
Diagonal is equal. It is not specified there. Okay, diagonal is equal and other than 1. It is not specified there. Okay, so can we say that here? Okay, it is a basically diagonal matrix also. Okay, scalar matrix also. Okay, and the square matrix. तो एक मैट्रिक्स बहुत सारे नाम से जाना जा सकता है. ठीक है, जिसके लिए आप टेंशन नहीं लेना है आपको कि यूनिट मैट्रिक्स हम दूसरी चीज से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so here we complete with the types of matrix. We have more in that. Okay, इतना ही नहीं है, और भी है, but वो टाइम टू टाइम मैं आपको बताऊंगा. like we have the symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Okay, इतने दो पार्ट आपका रह गया है जो अभी आपको नहीं पढ़ना है, तो अभी नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, और थोड़े दिन के बाद वो आप. So the null matrix is clear. Then look at the most of the time ऐसा confusion होता है कि null matrix is basically the square matrix. It is not like that. Look at this. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? Can anyone tell me what is the order of this matrix?
1.
2 1. Okay, or 1 2. Every time with the student
1 2.
1 2 1 2. They are the only one row, guys. They are the only one row, and there are two columns. There are two columns. So 1 2 is the order of this matrix. So 1 2 means what? It is not the square matrix, but still we can say that it is zero matrix. Okay. Now after that, on the next point, that is equality of matrices. Equality of the matrices. Okay, how can we define equality of the matrices? Basic thing that you have to define equality of the matrices. Okay, a matrix said to be equal. The first case that you have to remember is that order should be equal. Yes, order should be equal. If the order should be equal, then we can say that if the such type of matrix may be considered as, okay, may be considered as what? The equality of the matrix. Second thing, suppose we have the two matrices A and B, then Aij must be equal to Bij for all I and j. Okay, it means that basically if I have to modify this mathematical statement, okay, into the आप इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहोगे तो क्या बोलेंगे कि every corresponding elements of A, of matrix A and matrix B must be equal. Then we can say that such type of matrix is basically what? The equality of the matrix. It means that suppose you have two matrix A, okay, if you have two matrix A like A11, okay, A12, A13, okay, then A21, A22, A23, okay, A31, A32, okay, A33, and it is equal to the matrix B11, B12, B13, B22, B23, okay, B22, sorry, 22, B23, B31, B32, okay, and B33. So these two matrices should said to be equal only when A11 must be equal to this. Okay, when A122 must be equal to this, A13 must be equal to this. Okay, A21 must be equal to this is at B21. Okay, B21. After that, A22 must be equal to this. A23 must be equal to this. Means their corresponding element of the matrix A and matrix B should be same. Okay, then we can say that both matrix is what? Both matrix is basically equal. Got my point? How can we define the equality of the matrix? Clear?